some time. And this woman is the reason why.
Representing the Triangle of Terror from Chinatown, New York, Wendy, Choo!
The moment this match was announced, the WWE Universe has expected a classic. I think it is destined to deliver.
Ahead of her. She plans on proving exactly why she's worthy of big matches like these.
Action has made it back to the ring, and we can officially start this match.
Oh, man. Yeah, the refs got their hands full in this one.
Got their opponent set up.
Ah, drop kick to the spine. Basement drop kick. What are they doing here?
Hard to grab or apply a proper hold after a move like that.
Wendy just rubbing it in now.
Take off. Elbow drop. Oh, right to the chest. Thea experiencing a bit of a setback with that maneuver. Oh, shot right to the kidney. Wow, belly to belly. Look out! Oh, the high risk doesn't pay off!
And now that terrible error makes this a critical moment in the match.
Thrown back in under the ropes.
Thea Hale taking a moment to see if the fans will show some love.
Nice Japanese arm drag.
She anticipated that one.
Nobody really saw Wendy Choo coming, but she's definitely one to watch. What is it that makes her so dangerous?
She keeps them guessing, Cole. Choo definitely marches to the beat of her own drum, but whatever she's doing seems to be working. I can't say I understand her thought process, but if I'm her, I ain't messing with what's clearly working.
Climbing to the top rope. Soaring. A diving crossbody. Taking this to the floor. Throws her back in from ringside. She's starting to tire a little.
And this match is not over yet. Things are only going to get harder from here.
Hale able to counter. Powerless position to be in right now.
Ooh, nasty shot to the throat.
Working on the leg.
Really just laying it in.
She shoots up the top rope.
Dangerous thinking.
Blast off. Big mistake there, Corey.
Well, she knows that now. Some mental chess here from Thea Hale.
Oh my God, he's got him in. Oh, what a way to shatter an arm.
Oh, ouch.
Oh, Thea caught by the counter.
All the way up.
Done good! Cover, cover. And she kicks out at 2.
The end was in sight.
Belly. Looking for a little bit of high risk here, it seems.
Oh, look out. Oh, drop. Piercing.
Time for her to go home.
Oh, no, wait a minute.
She kicks out with authority.
She shows that she's far from finished. Standing moonsault gets all of it.
Sometimes you just gotta show off and show out.
And now she's climbing to the top turnbuckle.
Up high.
And she doesn't connect. Elbow right to the nose. Oh, this is going to be nasty. Full Nelson slaying.
And Choo might have just hit the snooze button on her opponent.
Plenty to be alarmed about now.
What's Wendy hatching here?
Absolutely spiked. DDT.
Oh, what a counter.
Saw that one coming.
Oh, my God. And she's able to make it to the ropes to force the break.
Pivotal opportunity there, just got denied by the rope break.
Oh, man, I'll tell you, I thought this superstar was out of this match, but apparently not. What a comeback. And the cover. And she fights it off.
What a match.
First.
Thea Hale ascends up top. From the top. Diving elbow drop. Are you kidding me? Oh, that backfired on her.
Both arms hooked.
The full Nelson slaying. We are beginning to reach a point of desperation in this match.
These athletes' bodies can only take them so far. You have to imagine they're reaching their breaking point. Gotta be careful not to get disqualified.
Looking for a high-risk, high-reward situation.
She wants it one more time. Big splash. That could end Hale right now. 2.
Win. A big win. That took a huge effort.
Here is your winner, Wendy Choo.
Thea Hale put away in this one.
This is why you just don't